Mathematics Teacher Learning. Present by Lintang Pamor Alfi Mardani. Contents: Knowledge for teaching mathematics. Common content: knowledge for mathematics. Special content: knowledge. Approach to teacher development that sustain teacher learning. Considering systematic planning for teacher learning. Conclusion comment. Knowledge for teaching mathematics. This categorization for of teacher knowledge. Hill, Ball, and Skilling 2008 can assist in detailing description of the knowledge. Schulman 1987. Building on the well now work. Hill et al. P. Knowledge of content and teaching. Knowledge of content and student. Knowledge of curriculum. And then Beswick, Callingham, and Watson 2011. Reported on Australian Batch Survey proposal an interesting hierarchy of aspects of teacher pedagogy content knowledge. Hill et al. The subject matter of mathematics knowledge. 1. Common content knowledge. 2. Special content knowledge. 3. Knowledge at the horizon. Figure 19. 1. If one prepared card for downloading music offer 16 songs for $24 and another offer 20 songs for $20, which is the better buy? Common content knowledge for mathematics. 1. Basically, common content knowledge is the knowledge that mathematical proficient citizens might use in solving problems or interpreting the world. Example: to find a solution to the music card tax, the common content knowledge needs might but not necessary in solving the application of a GNU algorithmic procedure. In this case, examples of algorithmic or procedural knowledge required for a solution include cross multiplying the fractions before comparing or making one from an knowledge and the solving the problem of the form x per b and c per d. This type of knowledge is of fundamental importance for mathematics teaching, and effective access to this knowledge is critical for both prospective and practicing teachers. There have been various studies undertaken with prospective primary teachers that have suggested that their common content knowledge is low. Morris 2001, Hill, Roman and Ball 2005. While there have been 12 studies of common content knowledge for practicing teachers, it can be assumed there is low as well. The case for teacher educators in this is that the range of content that will have to be re-taught to prospective and practice practicing teacher to anticipate all possible practice situations, such as the music card, is substantial. Example for that, assuming that prospective teacher 1. Study only one unit in their initial training that focus and common mathematical content knowledge. A key object for such a unit should be to develop an orientation in the prospective teacher to identify the strengths and weaknesses in their common contents knowledge and to provide them with strategies for learning the mathematics they will need when they need it. Specialist content knowledge. The term special content knowledge refers to the knowledge needed by mathematics teachers but not necessarily expected of mathematically proficient citizens. The special content knowledge required for teaching the music cards tasks includes knowing that intuitive strategy can be used for finding an answer, and that there are many different strategies and can be used in solving such a problem. Specialist content knowledge 1 2 1. The experts on intuitive strategy being prospect here also allow the development of important generation about approach to such problems that can be taught and learned. 2. It is in the awareness and use of diverse strategies that special content knowledge for teacher different from common content knowledge. For example, in daily perspective and practicing teacher will become aware that the music card task illustrated that wise unit comparison are a standard way of approaching and best by type problems, and that in this case, as in most in situation, there are two types of unit comparisons, as will elaborated in section 6. Approach to teacher development that sustain teacher learning. Several sustaining strategies are those in which teacher continue to practice, even in the absence of external intents, and which become part of ongoing collaborative school-based teacher professional learning involving the study of pedagogical practice. So, some approach the have received wider space recognition include the study of dilemmas that problematic aspect of teaching and learning study and engage groups of teachers, but practicing and practicing in thinking about student learning talk studying specific example of practice ruination 28. A simple way description of the approach based on INO 2010 p6 is a follow. This process cycle took over and over. Of course, a major challenge in the of for Australian teacher is have a scored teacher observing their teacher, since there is a strong culture of privacy associated with classroom teaching in this country. Nevertheless, if this barrier can be overcome by building trust between teacher and embracing and oriented to improve as distinct from evaluation. This approach will result in powerful mathematics teacher learning. Collaborative approach where the focus in on improvement of relation as distinct from judgment about teacher is likely to have long-term benefit for groups of teachers. Considering systematic planning for teacher learning, an important set of participles that can be used to guide the design and delivery of mathematics teacher professional development for practicing rather than prospective teacher was proposed by Carl and can be summarized as follows. Address assumed for consent and interest to the teacher. Involve groups of teachers from a school including the school leadership. Recordism impediments to teacher work ATG. Of course, most if not all of these points apply to teacher professional learning generally. Consider system planning for teacher learning. 1. A key step is present in the Scott of Clark's 1994 Principle of Professional Development that of involving and steering the support of all level of school leadership. Since 2. The special issue of Journal of Mathematics Teacher Education edited by Bourne 2010 School of Faculty leadership involved in professional development is critical and their commitment to the prestige of the teacher learning program must be explicit. And 3. These observations are complementary to those expressed by Woodford and much of the educational leadership research. Strategy of emphasis in teacher professional development. Strategy 1. Creative possibility for engineering student in learning mathematics. Strategy 2. Fostering school-based leadership of mathematics and numeracy teaching. Strategy 3. Choosing and implementing an appropriate intervention strategy. Strategy 4. Out of while teachers. Concluding comment. This section has suggested that the distinction between common and specialist knowledge help to delineate priority and emphasis in the mathematics-focused education of prospective and practicing teacher. And 2. It graded that rather than seeking to reach all aspects of mathematics, the focus of teacher learning should be on orientation to and strategy for learning the required mathematics at the time it is needed. Yes. 1. It says that collaborative teacher learning is a power tool that can be used for ongoing and sustained improvement of teaching in school. 2. It also suggests that there needs to be systematic planning of mathematics professional learning of teacher and perspective for particular emphasis in program types is of which address specific audience. Thank you.